Okay, class, great job so far. We just finished watching the video for the first time together. How was it? How did everyone find it? Interesting? Billy? Yeah, good. I thought it was interesting too. Helen, learn anything new yet? Yeah, there were some new examples in the video about the Civil War, right? So we just finished watching it together and we've answered a few of the questions on our worksheet. Now we are going to move in to independent practice. So what do I want you to do for independent practice? Well, everyone can now take out their iPads and their headphones. So go ahead and do that now. I'll wait a few seconds. Great, everyone has it, okay. Next, you should have already downloaded the video from our iTunes U account. Did everyone download the video? Okay, great, everyone downloaded the video. Next step we're going to do is you are going to watch the video independently, okay? But we're going to do it a little bit differently. We are going to watch the video in 3 parts, okay? So as I've written on the board here, part 1 is the first 3 minutes of the video. Part 2 is from 3 minutes to 5 minutes. And part 3 is from 5 minutes till the end, okay? Now, when I say begin, all of you are going to start watching the video again on your iPad using your headphone, okay? When you are watching the video, you're going to take notes and write down what you think are the main points for part 1. So remember, the video is about causes of the Civil War, okay? Are the causes mentioned in the first part of the video the same, or are they different from what we discussed in our reading and writing class, okay? As you do this, I'll walk around the room if you guys have any questions, and then when 3 minutes is up, everyone's going to take out their headphones so I know that you are ready, and then we're going to briefly discuss as a group what the main cause or main point was of each section, okay? Any questions? So Billy, what's the first thing we're going to do? Right, we're going to put our headphones in, get our video ready, press play, and how long are we going to watch the video for, Helen? Good. Part 1 is for 3 minutes only, okay? Everyone, headphones in, iPads on, video set up, press play, begin. Wait. Okay, good. It looks like everyone has finished watching the first 3 minutes. Now, what does everyone think? According to the first 3 minutes, major cause of the Civil War. Good, Diano. Right, at the very beginning of the video, he mentioned slavery. Slavery as being a major cause. But that was also discussed a lot in our lecture. Were there any new causes of the Civil War? Or did he go in more detail than what we discussed in the lecture? Okay, you guys are a little shy, that's okay. Maybe something to do, again, with slavery and a law regarding slavery. Did you guys hear this when you were listening? Billy? Yes, the fugitive slave law. He mentions the fugitive slave law. Now, what was this? Did anyone write this down? Okay, Eric? Right, the fugitive slave law. Anybody who thought they knew a slave who was escaped or living in a free state, not just in the South, had to, by law, yeah, good, bring them to the police, okay? So that was the first big example, right? The first major cause besides slavery for the Civil War mentioned in part 1. Now, let's all read part 2, okay? Headphones in, Part 2 is from 3 minutes to, Billy? Very good, 5 minutes, okay? Is everyone ready? And begin. Okay, good. Part 2 is up. Now, this cause he mentioned was not really about slavery exactly, but about some form of transportation. What did he discuss? Helen. Good. He discussed the railroad as a form of, or a cause for slavery, right? And why was the railroad a cause? Something about a new law because of the railroad, which helped increase the likelihood of a war? Billy? Yes, he mentioned something called the Kansas-Nebraska Act, right? Which gave people something, an idea called, Diana? Popular sovereignty, right? And we're going to discuss popular sovereignty later on in the class. Very, very quickly, okay? Let's go over part 3, okay? Let's listen to the video in part 3, okay? Is everyone ready? So this is till the end, so it's very short. Just a little over a minute. Everybody ready? Begin. Okay, good. We finished watching the video. What was the last major cause of the Civil War that you heard in this last part? Another is a Supreme Court decision, right? Yeah, good. You guys remember now. Supreme Court decision. What was decided? Diana. Right, the Scott-Sanford decision. Scott-Sanford decision, right? Good. Okay. Great, guys. Excellent job. Everyone very successfully identified the main points. And here on my PPT, you can see we verbally discussed the outline. It's now in PPT form. We have slavery, the railroad, popular sovereignty, right? Kansas-Nebraska Act, Dred Scott decision, okay? So you guys did an excellent job of identifying the main causes discussed in the video, okay? Now we're going to move on to the next part of the class. Is everybody ready? Great job so far.